Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know who it is. This is your credit girl Eunice. She like to talk about the money. Don't forget to hit the like button and also to subscribe to my channel to help my channel to grow. Today we're gonna be talking about what is a secured credit card and unsecured credit card. You know, when you have secured credit card, you have secured that credit card yourself, and if you have unsecured credit card, you are secured by the lender or whatever you have done to build that credit to have an secured credit card. So let's talk about this. When you have a unsecured credit card is when you know how to use your credit card and you know how to pay that credit card on time before your lender will pull out your money, his money, and pay your debt. So let's talk about this because this is very important topic, because most of the beginners, they don't know how to get their first credit card. For you to get your first credit card, you can deposit money into the bank, whatever the bank you have. When you deposit that money, the money will be put in your card like this, but the card will be your credit card, and you will spend minimum of that money you have deposited to that credit card. When you spend that money, then you have to remember to pay the due date which was given to you at the time of getting that credit card. Is that clear? Don't forget to hit the like button and also to subscribe to the channel to help the algorithm to take my channel more higher. People can watch this video who doesn't know about the credit card. When you got this credit card, now you use it like 5 times or 10 times. Remember, if you use the lowest you can use from your credit card, that helps your lender to see you are able not only to swipe all the money you have put in the credit card, also you are able to pay the credit card on time. How about now when you have the unsecured credit card? Unsecured credit card, you have it because you can manage that money yourself. You use it, you remember to pay without a reminder or remembering it's your money you're using. That time you can spend it because you already know how to use the credit card and you remember to pay how much you have spent. Then you have a minimum payment for that credit card. Let's say, for example, in my credit card, if I spent $500, I have minimum $25 to pay at the end of my spending time. Remember, there is always a minimum, and also there is a due date which you have to pay even that minimum in order for you not to ruin your credit score. Let's get started now. When you don't have a credit card, let's say, for example, your mom, your dad, your uncle, your cousin, they can give you their right to be in their name for you to use your credit card. I'm not sure about it. I'm not a credit card. I don't have a credit card, and this video is not sponsored by any of the credit cards, so I'm just giving you information for you. How can you get your first credit card in order for you to be able to build a credit history, and you will be able to get unsecured credit card. When you get all those things now, you are able yourself to go to the shopping and spend as much as you can. But remember, if somebody has given you permission to use the credit card under their name, they can pay the money because you forget or you just did something which is wrong. But remember, they will remove you. So you have to be careful because you are trying to have your first credit card so you can be able to have even more than 5 or 2 or 3 credit cards to build your credit history. Credit history is very important, and remember, the credit history always goes even showing the first year you are given your credit card, it's also in your credit card. The time you don't pay that credit card is start showing. Remember also here, the bank always report every time you go, you swipe your credit card, they report to the bureau so they can see if you pay that money or you don't pay that money. It doesn't matter. It's up to you to decide, do you want to pay that money you have spent or you just want to pay the minimum. When you pay the minimum, you are building your credit score. Remember, when you pay the whole amount of money, you can check your score, it doesn't move. But when you pay minimum, remember, when you pay the minimum, then there is an interest. So So do you want to have the interest added to your debts, or you want to pay the whole amount of money and you still able to use the credit card? When you pay the minimum, you cannot go again and swipe a lot of money because you will see a lot of interest added to your credit card. In order for you to become a wealthy person, and in order for you to increase your wealthy, you need to start paying all those debts when you use them. Remember, you have to range your debt from the high to the lowest interest rate in order for you to save money in your bank and in order for you to build your wealth. Also remember that if you earn every two weeks paycheck, okay, don't go spend the whole your credit card, because at the end your pay date, it might be in the middle of the month when you get your first paycheck, or it's gonna be at the end of the month, whereby it's time for you to pay your rent, your vehicle, your utility, your Robux, your games. You want to upgrade your phone, so you have to make sure you don't spend your credit card at the time when you are getting your paycheck. You don't have money left for you to pay your debts. Remember, in my channel I usually talk about the money, credit card, saving, and how to increase your wealthy before you go to a certain age whereby you will not be able to earn money, and you can use your saving or what you have earned before you get older. As you know, we all need saving for our future when we cannot go to work. So don't forget to hit the like button and also to hit the subscribe and also to share so that people can see this video and help my channel to grow. If you enjoy this topic, I would like you leave me a comment and also tell me which video you would like me to do anytime, so you enjoy and you can have more education about the credit card. Credit card, as I say always, sometimes it's good to have a credit card as your emergency. Okay, let's say for example, if you go to work and you get paid but the money is not enough for you to pay the debts, pay the house, pay your vehicle, pay all your debts, you can use the money in your credit card. And in order for you to do this, you need to create a PIN. So when you get your credit card, ask them how much money I can withdraw in that credit card. Or no, I don't know if the lender will be happy when you ask them if they can approve you to withdraw money, but the bank and the lenders, they like when you have a higher debt so they can earn money from your debts. Remember, the lower debts you have, the a lot of money you can save in your account. So when you have PIN, you go to the ATM machine, you type like how you have your debit card, you withdraw some money, and that money you can pay your rent or pay your debt. But remember, that will be a high interest if you don't pay back that money on time. Let's say for example, if you have a credit like American Express, you can go and withdraw money. Like I always say, I usually withdraw money and pay my bills, and then at the end I will pay the American Express credit card in separate, because I know I could not go to borrow money from friends, from the people who I don't know, because I wanted to stay private. I borrow money from my credit card, and also I borrow money from my bank, because that's the only safest way for me to grow my portfolio and also to increase my wealth without taking high interest from the bank and from the credit card. So when you have a credit card, always remember to ask how much money I can withdraw, or how much money am I going to use, so that I cannot go overdraft. So you don't want to do that, because the credit card are very high in interest, which can make you not to have future, because you have to keep paying those interest without the lender telling you what you can do unless you call them. But remember, the lender help you to build your wealthy. The lender did not help you to create a debt. So do not create a lot of debts with the credit card. Create how you can take money and invest that money. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the topic, please consider to subscribe and also to hit the like button. Help my channel to grow, and let's keep going.